Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from College Matriculation Kedah. Today we want to present about the intelligent temperature monitoring I-Temp. Introduction. World of globalization today leads us to use the concept of technology to improve our healthy life. Today, many artificial intelligence technologies have been introduced into our environment. Into the world of smart electronics, microcontroller, such as Arduino plays an important role in the development of smart systems. In hospital, it is very crucial to monitor temperature and air humidity because the requirement of temperature based on different situation of patients. Arduino is an example of microcontrollers that consist of a single chip processor suitable for automation and control processes and provide accurate results in real-time monitoring system. Arduino is a microcontroller board which functions as a tiny computer. It is a platform where creation and development of interacting objects is possible with required programming software. A sensor is an electronic device that converts a change in physical phenomenon into an electrical signal. It can send the information to computers or other electronic devices. Objectives. The objective of this project is to monitor and process the temperature data of the acute patient room using a temperature that is connected to Arduino devices. To monitor temperature data that have been acquired to store in HDD drive and monitoring process using the process GUI and the Excel file so that the system will be much easier to control. To detect abnormal conditions occur such as too high temperature and too low temperature in hospital rooms. Therefore, this system is useful for monitoring temperature abnormal situations. Thank you.
Okay, so let's discuss first that tool and material that we use. Firstly, hardware required is Arduino Uno boards. Second, DHT11 digital humidity and temperature sensor. Third, breadboard, ports, jumpers, wires. The software that we use to this problem is Arduino IDE and processing software with Microsoft Excel 2019 and above. Seconds, I want to share with you the procedure of this problem. First, the code is written using a Arduino IDE and to the Arduino on the board. For Microsoft Excel, this priority data as question is an additional software features. Second, the data receive Excel sheet. The system provide real-time data on temperature. Two analog meter can view directly on the PC monitor. This nice graphical user interface was created through the software processing. Third, pin configuration, the HT11 to Arduino connection. First is VCC. The description is 3.3 volt to 5.5 volt. Second, data. Description is outputs both temperature and humidity through serial data. 3. NC, no connection. And lastly, GND is means ground. So in lastly, the HT11 is used to measure temperature and humidity, but as a first project, we only measure temperature as our first invention. Here the data pin is connected to Arduino Uno pin 2 which support software serials. Also check is HT11 based Arduino temperature measurement. The HT11 pins 1, 2, and 4, the Arduino are connected to the boards. The first pin is connected to the VCC of the controller. The second pin of DHT11 is connected to digital pin 2. The last pin is directly connected to the ground and Arduino boards. The third pin is not connected. So you can see the figure 5 and figure 6 of the, for example.
Okay, for the results, we need to run the final application. So first, we need to upload the code in Arduino and keep connected the Arduino to the PC. Then open the processing sketch, click run, and the temperature will show temperature meters. Temperature meters running will show the real-time data coming from sensors. For graph temperature and data is shown on a PC monitor. The advantages of this IR system are um, it is real-time monitoring. It can be it can be accessed from anywhere using remote desktop. Cheap and easy implementation can be displayed in graph form for better visual monitoring. Data can be saved in SCV format. Simple home-based experiment can measure the pattern of temperature to predict instrument failure. So this is the experiment that can be done anywhere. So here it shows the graph of temperature against time. So the temperature are already coded at 33. So when the temperature above 33, it will show alert status. Um, so the so the graph shows how the temperature are collected. Against time.
So the conclusion of this experiment is the system created can retrieve temperature data, which can be displayed graphically GUI on a PC monitor. The system continuously monitor room temperature. This system is to show one of the simplest possible ways to create GUI for the Arduino platform. The result of the project proved that artificial intelligence plays important role in our daily life. Future recommendation is future development of the system may lead to a more robust system and for future to offer user. The sensor data record can be extracted directly on the web page, allowing the system to be extended with IoT platform. Thank you. That's all from us.